Hello, everyone. My name is Robert Phillips, and I'll be talking to you today about embracing leadership growth and transformation. So, leadership is about taking initiatives, and it is leaders' responsibility to maximize the overall performance of their teams by impacting organizational strategy, culture, and structure. Leaders need to take the time to clarify problems at hand in order for their team to fully understand the changes they are faced with in regard to clients, its supply chain, and the organization itself. In healthcare, leaders need to create work environments for nurses that are most conducive to the safety of patients. So, this requires fundamental changes throughout the hospital. These changes require leaders to help transform not only the physical environment, but the practices and beliefs of other healthcare workers as well. The leader's responsibility is to establish practices and policies to help shape the overall HCO environment. So, in order to manage change effectively, the leaders need to balance the tensions between production reliability and efficiency, sustaining and creating trust throughout the organization, involve workers in the decision-making process when pertaining to workflow and work design, and being able to actively manage the process of change. If a leader wants to transform something, then they need to have a vision and be able to effectively communicate that vision. Transformational leadership, operational leadership, and strategic leadership are all essential styles that work best to deliver messages relative to innovation and transformation. In order to be transformative, leaders need to embrace diversity of thought. So, transformational leadership needs to be a strong communicator in which they are trusted in order for everyone to be focused and passionate to drive necessary change. I believe that this leadership style is more of a coaching and mentor role. So, leaders need to motivate and guide workers in the right direction, which will lead to empowerment and high work morale among employees. The central function of leadership is to achieve a collective purpose. So, not surprisingly, leadership has been observed to be the essential precursor to achieving safety in a variety of industries, a critical factor in the success of major change initiatives. So, therefore, leaders need to effectively collaborate in order to develop a learning culture that intellectually stimulates employees to generate new knowledge and be able to share that new knowledge with other coworkers. Thank you.